What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, guys, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's Frisky Friday video, I will be showing you guys how I clean my nose piercing. Now, I do this method almost every morning I wake up and almost every night I go to sleep. I say almost because I am not going to lie, I don't do this every morning and I don't do this every night. I have two steps of how I clean my nose piercing. I'm going to show you guys the first step, then I'm going to show you guys the second step. The first step is basically me just mixing my salt water solution and just cleaning my nose with it, then dipping my nose inside of it for a few minutes. The second step that I do, I usually just make a sea salt paste. I just leave a little bit of the salt in a ball format on my nose, then when I wake up in the morning I just rinse it off. But I'm going to be demonstrating in the video, so you guys will definitely get the gist. I really do not like using alcohol because I feel like alcohol is just too harsh for my skin. But if that is what you choose to use, you can go ahead and use it. The items that I use, they're pretty easy to come by because I get this little container. I get earbuds, and I get some sea salt, natural sea salt. You want to get the sea salt that is non-iodized. That is it from me in today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive feedbacks. Also, follow me on all my socials at AYAFARRR. That is IFR with 3 R's. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys.